Hey YouTube, Gravedigger35 here, and welcome to RWBY Chibi Season 2, Episode 13, entitled Parent-Teacher Conferences. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into it.
What did you girls do this time?
I object! They have no witnesses! We were framed! It's society's fault! I'm young and impressionable! Video games made me do it!
Let's just get this over with.
I'm sure it's not that bad.
They did what?
The good news is the fire is finally under control, and the cats are expected to regrow most of their fur.
Well, you gotta admire their ambition.
Don't encourage them. You know they get this from your side of the family.
Whoa. Don't try to pin this on me. I'm out there every day busting my butt on secret missions. What do you do all day?
Tying crew,
suddenly you care?
are you in like an
You
old
want to know
married
what
couple?
I do all day?
That's what I'm asking.
I make a home for this family. That's what I do all day. And it wouldn't kill you to show a little appreciation.
I don't have to listen to your crazy.
Oh, well, you also don't have to eat my cooking.
Oh yeah? Well, your noodles are overcooked anyway.
How dare you?
I want you out. Get out of my house.
Fine, I will. But I'm taking my drink mixer with me.
It's a blender, which my mother gave to me.
I licked it. It's mine.
That's not a thing. Stop licking all my stuff.
Right. Well, clearly you girls have been punished enough.
We are so sorry for their behavior.
Hey, I'm doing a beauty vlog or whatever. Why am I doing this?
For the clicks. Clicks are everything.
Right. Let's just get this over with.
Oh, man, what is that? Are you going to pull out your eyeball? Is that
Dang it.
normal? Is that what all girls do?
Yes, son. All girls pull out their eyeballs to look pretty.
Sick. Girls are so weird. I'm learning so much. Keep going. What's that stuff?
Dork repellent.
No way. Really? Does it work? I can't see anything. I gotta go wash my eyes.
Yeah, it works pretty well.
Hey guys! You know what's really fun? Cruising on your motorcycle? Dancing at a shady club all night long? Beating down a room full of bad guys?
I would say
Yellow trailer
good
callback.
manners and good posture.
Silence.
No! A surprise party! I think Pyrrha's birthday's coming up. Who's with me?
Yeah, no. I agree with Yang. Oh, that felt strange to say.
Oh, but why not?
Ruby, don't take this the wrong way, but whenever you throw a surprise party thing...
You're terrible at throwing surprise parties.
Yeah.
Well, what you talking about?
Oh, a mysterious gift. No doubt from a secret admirer who's heard tell of my... my heart! Oh! Surprise! Nope, shutting down.
Oh my gosh, we killed Professor Port!
Clear!
Way to go, Ruby.
I mean, he didn't die.
He didn't die. Oh. Alright, so that was episode 13, so like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and see you in the next one. Bye.